The scroll is unrolled, the history is written. From Abraham to David, to the promise fulfilled. The King hasn't just arrived. He is the culmination of every hope the world has ever held. Gold, frankincense, and myrrh. The Magi look up and the world bows down. A small light in Bethlehem signals that the darkness is finally losing its grip. Prepare the way, the desert prophet calls out. And the heavens break open. The Father speaks, the Spirit descends, and the Son begins his mission. It is written. 3 temptations, 3 times the sword of the Spirit. Satan tries to offer the world, but Jesus already owns it. The enemy flees, the King stands firm. Blessed are the poor, the salt of the earth, the light on the hill. Jesus turns the world's values upside down, teaching that a kingdom life is found in a heart of surrender. If you are willing, you can make me clean. One touch of his hand, and the disease of a lifetime vanishes. He doesn't just teach the kingdom, he demonstrates it. Peace, be still. The waves that threaten to swallow the disciples melt away at his word. Even the winds know their master. Even the storm learns to obey. Come to me, you who are crushed by the weight of your own striving. My yoke is easy, and my burden is light. The King is not here to break. He is here to carry you.